Hey everybody, how's it going? So I did a video recently, a few days ago, about some ENA spark plug coils, or not spark plugs, but I'm doing a tune-up on the 4Runner, and the coils are defective. I had to contact ENA. They sent me out a new set of coils, no problem. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, as I stated in the intro, I did a video recently for a tune-up for the 4Runner, just showing parts, what I was using. Ruthenium HX, what were they? NSK spark plugs, I think. NGK, sorry about that. NGK spark plugs, Ruthenium HX model, and some NGK spark plug wires, and then some ENA coils. And I got the coils on Amazon. I didn't go through Amazon, I just called ENA. You know, they did say that that has a lifetime warranty, and you know, I gave them the part number, or not the part number, but my Amazon order number. They looked it up, and I told them that I installed these coils and immediately got erratic RPMs. They were just all over the place. They were up and down. You know, the truck was hunting for RPM and idle, which was odd because, you know, everything else was functioning fine until I put the coils on. I just took the original coils off, which were the not the Ford, but the Toyota coils, and because, you know, those coils have been on the truck for 19 and a half, actually no, 20 and a half years. And the ENA, you know, 18042 Courtney Circle, Unit B, City of Industry, California. They were really nice. He got me another set coming out, and I ended up having to put the Toyota coils back on for the meantime. And these are the blue coils. And you can actually find these coils on Amazon. You can go to eBay. You can find this exact type of coil with the slave system. This would be the slave, or also known as waste spark system. These coils you can get on eBay in red, purple, blue. You know, I don't think any of those will have a warranty, but it's a very simple style system. You have your slave, goes to the secondary cylinder. So, you know, on like 4Runners and Tacomas and Tundras, you know, vintage years that had the 3.6 liters, they had, if you have for an example, a misfire, you're more than likely to have a misfire on a pair of cylinders. So 1 and 3, for an example. 2 and 6, as an example. And I'm not saying that's the firing order, I'm just giving you guys an example. You know, you can also test these, and I'll probably do a separate video on these. Instead of installing them on the truck, I'll test them before I even bother. There's 3 of them in here. But that might be, you know, if you guys are interested, let me know. I have the original workshop manuals for this truck, so, you know, I can go off of the the OEM specifications on what the resistance should be on the coils and everything, and do a video on it. If you guys are interested, let me know. It's just a warranty. They were only on the truck for a day and a half. I called the day that I saw the problem, which was the day I installed them. They immediately sent me a new set. It took a couple days because the gentleman I spoke to on the phone was confused. He was an American, spoke perfect English, was a great, respectful, very nice, was helpful. Sent me out a set. We'll get these installed afterwards. Probably not going to do a video on it. There's plenty of videos on YouTube out there for, you know, Toyota 4Runners and you know, a tune-up. But if you guys do want to see a tune-up video, just let me know. It's not really hard to. I have a custom intake system, so it doesn't take really that long to get the intake out of the way and pull, you know, the coils and spark plugs. But you know, I hope to see you guys on the next video. I do appreciate you guys watching. Just a quick update. Yeah, I had to warranty them. I'm pretty sure that at least one of them is messed up. It was bucking, jumping about 400 to 600 RPMs just randomly, only at 50 to 58 miles an hour, and it would be random. Some days, that day, it would be, you know, it would happen 4 times in a trip. The next time I used the vehicle that day, it happened once in the entire trip, and it was like a 100-mile trip. The first one, it happened almost 5 times. It was like 4 times total on the first trip, and that one was literally like a 30-mile trip. And then the third and fourth time, it only happened once. So it's always in the same miles an hour range, but it was not consistent. It was always just random, you know, go 20 miles and it would happen, you know, and the next time we'd go 5 miles and it immediately happened. And the vehicle was already in closed loop. So if you guys want to see me do testing for resistance and everything on the coils, let me know. I do appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And top of the description, I also have an Also Tools link. If you guys need any toolbox organization or small hand tools, they got some great stuff. Go check them out. It will get you 10% off your order. Also kicks me back 10% off my next purchase from AlsoTools.com. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Happy holidays, and hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!